Good morning, students. Today we are discuss about determination of charge of an electron. So the Milligan's oil drop experiment. So today we are discuss about the Milligan oil drop experiment. You see, the Milligan oil drops experiment is another important experiment in the modern physics. It is a modern physics. It's another important of the modern physics, which is used to determine one of the fundamental constant of the nature known as the charge of an electron. Okay, by the adjusting the electric field suitably, the motion of the oil drop inside the chamber can be controlled. That is, it can be made to move up or down or even kept balance in the field of your view for sufficient long time. Okay, now you see this is the Milligan oil drop apparatus. Okay, well, this is so the inside you see what of them here. This box, the Milligan box, inside you see it is the covered that a glass. Okay, so here inside you see that two metal plate we are kept, so that what happened means the two metal plate in between gap is the distance in between distance is here 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so the first one is here metal plate A, second one is here metal plate B, right? So the each metal plate, the circular metal plate, the each circular metal plate diameter is 20 centimeters. So diameter, the each metal plate diameter is 20 centimeter. Okay, are you okay? Are you understood? So two this apparatus consider two horizontal circular plate. Okay, wow. This circular plate diameter is 20 centimeter. The both metal plate inside of the gap, in between of the gap, 1.5 centimeter. Okay, now you see that these two metal plate, these two parallel plates are enclosed in the chamber with a glass walls. The two metal plates, the two metal plates are glass wall cover pannirukkom, right? And further the plates A and B are given the high potential difference around the 10 kilovolts. You see that the plates, the two plates we are giving to the high potential energy through the light source, that is a battery. The battery மூலமா என்ன பண்றோம், they are giving to the high potential, the electric field we are giving to the electric field. So the two plate it's two plates having to the potential, high potential, the two plates given to the high potential difference. Okay, 10 kilowatts. Okay, so what happened that the electric field act the vertically downwards, the vertical downwards la the electrical field act agudhu. A small hole is made at the center of upper plate. You see the first plate, the plate A, centrally we are put a one hole. The same like to the glass covered glass, no, that glass, the glass up also here put the one, that directly the perpendicularly we are put the one holes. Okay, exactly. Okay, so next you see that we are using to the atomizer. So we are, this is the atomizer. You see that this is the atomizer. We are using to the atomizer. It's kept exactly above the hole to spray the liquid. So why we are using the atomizer means to spray the liquid. When a fine dropped, when the fine droplet of a high viscous liquids, it's a spray using the atmosphere. We are using the highly viscosity liquid, you know. So that liquids we are taking to the glycerin. We are taking to the glycerin. It is a spray using to the atmosphere. So atmosphere. It falls freely downwards through the whole of the top plate only under the influence of the gravity. So it's you are using the admisier use பண்ணி அந்த water droplet free fall பண்றோம், fall down to that through the plate. Okay va? So what happened, the few oil drops in the chamber can occur the electric charges. What happened, the few only it's here creating to that electric charger because இது என்ன ரீசன்னா, the friction with the air, the electrical drops என்ன friction with the air or என்ன பண்ணுது, it's a passing of the x-rays between the two plates. The two plates in between என்ன பண்ணுது, it's creating to the x-rays. Okay, parallelly it's creating the x-rays. The further the chamber is illuminated by the light which is passed horizontally, and oil drops can be seen clearly using microscope. So next you see after that side you see that one hole and microscope, you clearly you see that the water that oil, the crystalline droplets what doing, we are clearly we see through the microscope. Okay, so next these drops can move there upwards or downwards. The drops moving to the upwards or downwards. These drops can move either upwards or downwards. Later, the mass of the oil drops we are taking to the small m. The charge is produced to some of the electrical charge. That charger we are taking to the q. The force act on the droplet. The force act on the droplets. Okay. So now you see that we are taking to the gravitational force Fg equal to mg. Electrical force FEQE, beyond force and viscous force. Okay, I hope you are understood the experimental part. Okay, so now you see that one determination of radius of the droplet. Okay, radius of the droplet. Okay, when the electric field switch off, you see that here having to the electric field, here creating to the electric field, so that a battery is produce the high potential given the electrical in the two plates. Okay va? So that time is a potential difference, is a produce the electrons, right? So what we are doing that you are stopped to that electrical force. Okay va? The electrical, we are switch off that electrical field. So what happened, the oil drop the acceleration in the downwards. So immediately it's oil drop if going to the downwards. Due to the presence of the air drop the force, immediately the air drop to the force, the oil drops easily attain the terminal velocity and moves with the constant viscosity also. This this velocity can be carefully measured by nothing down time taken by the oil drops to fall through. Okay, the perpendicular distance, the predetermined distance. The free body diagram of the oil drops in the shown in the figure. You see that free fall. You see that the oil drops flow downwards due to the gravitational force. The oil drops, it's a downwards due to the gravitational force. The beyond force viscous force opposite directions move on, right? Okay, next you see that let us the gravitational force act on the oil drop in the downwards, the Fg equal to mg. Okay, let us assumes the oil drops be the spherical in space. Let rho be the density of the oil drop and r be the radius of the oil drop. When the mass of the oil drop can be expressed in the terms of the density. So density we are taking to the rho equal to m by capital V. So rho, m is a what? The volume of the sphere. Volume of the sphere means what? The oil drop is a sphere, no? So that formula, volume of the sphere formula 4 pi 3 pi r cube. So rho. So m equal to rho pi. So next we are applied to the both side is a gravitational force. We are multiplying the both side gravitational force m into g mg and rho 4 by 3 m r cube into g. Okay, now you see you get that this value mg equal to rho 4 by r cube g. Okay va? So the mg we are taking to the force of gravitational, force of gravity. So we are taking the mg we are taking the fg. So next you see that beyond force, we are applying to the beyond force. So let us know the density of the air, the upthrust force the experienced by the oil drop due to the displaced air. Okay. So the beyond force equal to rho 4 by 3 pi r cube into g. Okay. Once the oil drop the attain the terminal velocity v, the net downward force acting on the oil drops is equal to the viscous force acting opposite of the direction of the motion of the oil drop from the Stokes law. The 11th standard you have studied the Stokes laws. Okay, the viscous force that unit 7 you are unit 7 I think you are unit 7 you are studying the viscous force value F equal to 6 pi r v eta. So that you are applying that. So gravitational force against use the beyond force of viscous force. So we are added to the viscous. So fg oda value is this and fb we are applying and v oda value applying this. Okay. So now you see that you are kept the 6 pi r v eta. This and all you are going to this side means you are commonly you are taking to wait. I will show that. What is that paper? Okay. Now you see this I written the calculation. You see that so we are taking this side coming this side so what happens coming to the minus. So 4 by 3 pi r cube and g it's a both side is a commonly we are taking to that. So balance here rho minus rho. So equal to 6 this one. So pi r. So pi we have to cancel. So here r cube. So cancel panna r squared come. So r squared equal to, so next we are taking to the r squared value we have to find out radius. So r squared equal to others and all we are going to that side means. So what happen 3 by 4 into 6 n v eta v eta by rho minus rho into g. So cancel panna 6 3s are 18. This cancel panna 9 by 2 eta rho this value come. R square equal to 9 eta v by 2 rho minus r g. Next r order value we are taking means we are taking the reciprocal. So root of this one come. The root of how to we are written means 9 eta v by 2 rho minus rho into g half. We are taking this slide. Okay. So this is a we are convert to this one. Okay. So next you see that determination of the electric cell. First what we are doing, we are switch off that and the electric field and the electric field battery will switch off and we have to calculate the calculation experiment. So next we want apply to that current. So you switch on that electrical field. So what happened there? The charged oil drops experience on the upthrust electric force EQE. Okay, among the many drops, once the particular drop can be chosen in the field of the view of the microscope. The view of the microscope and strength electric field is adjusted to make the particular drop to be the stationary. Under this circumstance, there will be no viscous force acting on the oil drop when the form of the free body diagram from the shown in the figures. Okay. So next you see that so diagram means this one. You see that the oil drops apply to the gravitational force is a downwards. So what happens applying the beyond force on the electric field. Okay, electric force. Okay. So next you see the calculation. You see the FE and plus FB included FG. So FG value you know that, FE value you know that, FB value you are know that. Okay, you do that this one. So QE value you are taking here. So this one you are going to that side means already you know that you are taking to commonly one you are taking that. So this like you are coming already you do that. So next you have to Q you are keep it here. The E is going to energy here. So this one. So now we here having to the R cube, right? R cube here having. So already we are find out the R order value. So now you are R equal to this value we are find out already. This value you are applied to here. Apply means we are getting the value. You do it easily we are apply that. Q equivalent to 18 pi by E, eta cube V cube by 2 rho minus rho into G of 1 by 2. Okay, this is the value. So, okay, I hope you are understood. This question very important. It's a detailed questions. Okay, very important questions only. Thank you, children.